Hello! Welcome to my channel! I am your all-time amiga, your kumare, your Filipina amiga Pinay in the United States. Ayabang, US. Chararet! I'm your amiga Mareng Deby, na nagsabing love never gives up, never loses faith. So today is a trial day. We're going to try not one but two today. 2 items today. So watch this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate your time watching my video. I hope you click that subscribe button. If not, please don't dislike. Charat. Thank you guys for all your support. Thank you for watching my previous videos, and this is my new video. Today's a trial day. So today we're going to try not one but two. I told you I love promo codes. I availed 2 today. So this is it, and this is it. So these 2 are for my eyes. A little background again. As you see, these eyes just bulge without me knowing it. It's just sometimes it's pop out a little bit. It is asymmetrical, as I have mentioned to the video, my previous video. My eyes are asymmetrical because of Graves' disease. So please don't roast me. Like dark comments saying my eyes are like scary. This one is very scary, and yeah, I'm not really ashamed of it. It's a good thing, like a good experience. Like God turned a bad thing into a good thing. God saved my life from death. Yeah, I've been through a lot with thyroid condition, but praise God, I'm doing well now. It's just my eyes are not the same size as I want to. And also, I have mentioned to my previous video that I have this lump over here, and I asked a doctor, and the doctor said it might be cholesterol. So I had my blood drawn, and my cholesterol results said that I have a little bit high of bad cholesterol. So I went to my primary care, and she said that's okay, there's nothing to worry about it. This lump over here is genetic. You can do like surgery to remove it, but it's not really good because the scar will be bigger than this one. I'll just have to live with it and be thankful that I still have eyes. And I have luxury bags. She just said just have a healthy lifestyle, exercise, and eat healthy foods. Let me go closer so you see my eyes, especially my eyelashes. My eyelashes are like the examination when I was in college. The professor always say 1 seat apart. So yeah, my eyelashes are 1 seat apart. I don't have that much, and it's not that long. So I saw something in Amazon that I like, which is number 1. It's an eyelash grower and eyebrow grower, and the number 2 is electric. I think it's electric eyelash curler. Like you can use battery to operate it, and it's the new future of eyelash curler. So yeah, first one is this one. So I'm prepared today again. Let's open. See if I can focus it. It says eyelash and eyebrow growth serum. If you are from the United States, you are very much welcome to join my group for extreme daily deals and coupons. I post 20% and more coupon codes. I know I have viewers from the Philippines. The extreme daily deals and coupons is for USA only, but if I'll be able to be affiliated with Lazada, well, Lazada, I'm just here. I'll promote Lazada too. Let's read first. So this is how to use it. The direction is apply a thin line along your upper and lower lash line once a day at night time. Apply only at the root area and to clean skin as though applying eyeliner. Once per day. May also be used on eyebrows. Caution, do not get in the eye. If contact occurs, flush with water. Discontinue use if redness or irritation occurs. If irritation is excessive, consult your physician immediately. Keep out of reach of children. Beautiful. See, it's floral. More vibe. More vibe. Eyelash and eyebrow growth serum, longer and thicker. I have brow liner right now, so I'll just use it in my lash. That's it. It's hard to apply. I hope my lash wouldn't grow like the ones I saw in Facebook. That's like very curly. So yeah, it's done now. Already applied the serum. Let's move on to the second package. Let's open it. So. Chucky. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. It is simply beautiful heated eyelash curler. So yeah, my eyelash is very short, not long, and it's 1 sit apart, so I doubt it if it will work. But let's try it. So it says creates natural long-lasting curls, provides maximum curl without damaging eyelashes. I like that. Portable and compact for quick and easy touch-ups. So if there's a flat iron for hair, there's an iron for eyelashes. Cool. Let's see. The battery. I dropped the battery. So first of all, this is the manual. Manual is in Chinese. It's an English version too, and it has a free battery. This is it. This is the eyelash curler, and I think this is the cup. Beautiful, like me, like you. Whoever's watching this right now, you are beautiful. Beautiful. It's very lightweight. where is the battery slot, so you need to pull this out like a ninja. Okay, this is the 3AA battery, which is included in this package. Then I put it in there, then put it back. And then there's a light indicator, let's see. So now it's green. Wait for 15 seconds to heat it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it says wear mascara and then apply like for 10 seconds. So let's see if it works without mascara and with mascara. Okay? Okay, so let me just get the mascara. I'm back. So yeah, it didn't work without the mascara, so I brought my mascara. This is Maybelline New York Great Lash. Let's try it. I hope this time it works. And yeah, guys, I just want to thank you all for watching my video regarding the fake lashes. Regarding my magnetic eyeliner and magnetic eyelash. That was a bomb. I'd rather use that one than this one. So we need to wait 15 seconds again. 15 seconds is done, so let's try it again. It says put some 10 seconds pressure. Okay, now we're talking. Now it's working. Just put a little pressure. It's warm, but it's not really hot. I think it worked. Oh, I see. Now we're talking. I mean, I think this one is a lot of work, but it does work. This one or traditional? I feel like traditional is a lot faster to use. For a closer look. It did work. So yeah, the judgment has come. So this is my verdict. My verdict. I will give this 3 stars. I mean, let's be generous. 3.5. I'm giving this 3.5 because first, it took me a long time to find where the battery slot is, and second, the traditional can curl your eyelashes and it's noticeable even without a mascara, and it's very easy to use. But for this one, This one is lightweight. You can bring it wherever. The traditional one is kind of bulgy and it has really no form. It's hard to store. It's small. But this one is just like a lipstick. You can bring wherever. You can retouch wherever. Yeah, I'm giving this 3.5 out of 5 star. Thank you for watching my video, and if you want to see more of this video, make sure you subscribe to me. I appreciate your time watching me, and God bless you all. If you have questions, comment down below. Love you.